The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day guys, Trader Cobb here again. Hope you had a great run through that series of 8 videos. Now, of course, you've been through it now. You might have listened to the podcast and you're probably on my Facebook and my Twitter, so you've seen a whole bunch of the content that I put out now. Not only that, but throughout this series you've seen all the little snippets, or some of the snippets anyway, of what I believe to be really important to become a good trader. Now, I know that a number of you have come across my social media and asked me questions there directly, and you've come through my website, tradercobb.com, and you've filled out the contact us and emailed through to admin. So I know that a lot of you are curious about further education and also understanding these markets more. Keep the questions coming. More than happy to keep on working with you to help you move forward. Because of the amount of feedback that we've had, I do understand that a lot of you are looking for a bit more guidance and would like to have an inside look at the lifetime membership programs that I do provide. Now, of course, lifetime memberships is an online course. All the programs that I put in place, you can go through and watch as many times as you like. And the reason for this is that you can go back and redo chapters. You've ever read a book? The book I think of is Mark Douglas' Trading in the Zone. It's a book about trading and psychology. I've read it, God, I don't know how many times that I've read it, but each time I read it, sure, there are parts that I zip through and think, okay, discard that. There's a lot that I read that I'll pick up little bits each time because I'm in a different part of my journey, my trading journey, that is. Now, that's the same with these programs. That is the exact reason why I've created an online resource with lifetime memberships. The simple reason being, going through a course once is great. The more times you do it, though, the more you pick up. The more little lessons you didn't pick up the first, second, and third time, you'll pick up again and again. And it allows you to go back and redo chapters. I break everything down into chapters so that you can go back quite straightforward and simply to find those areas that you might need some work on. It's a simple to use resource that's a very, very helpful one as well. And the idea is that you can do it whenever you like for life. I'll allow you to have access to that at a big discount at the moment. Because you've just come through on, because I know that there is a lot of interest out there. If you use the promo code that you can see in this video, or underneath this video I should say, or in this email, you'll actually receive 20% off any of my courses and my packages. So guys, it's an opportunity for you. It's for a short period only, but it's an opportunity for those of you that are wishing to get involved to do so, to take what you've learned from this little bit and make it a big bit. Get the full trading strategies, the full routines, the full checklists, and the full reporting, everything, literally everything, for a 20% discount. Now, of course, you don't need to do that. If you don't want to do it, that's absolutely fine. If you've watched it and you've enjoyed this series, but you decided that trading's not for you, I'm not here to try and change your mind. Not at all. You've got to make a decision. You have to be decisive to be a trader. And if your decision is that you don't want to trade at all, absolutely fine. I respect that, and good luck with any ventures going forward. If you are somebody who you think you'd like to give this a go, because you can do it 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you can work a full-time day job, and this can be your little snippet that gets you out and about earning your own income whilst you work, and potentially who knows what it can bring. Maybe it'll be a way for you to trade your way out of working. That's what I did. It took time, don't get me wrong. It's not something that happens instantly, but if that's the drive that you have, and if that's what you'd like, if you'd like access to these courses and my packages, guys, visit tradercobb.com, use the little promo code below, and I wish you all the best in joining me and my amazing community on this journey. If I can help just one person throughout this series, it was worthwhile doing. I hope you have a fantastic day. Whatever choices you make them positive, and I'll speak to you again very, very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.